You rolling?
Yeah.
Hey y'all! Okay, so I'm going to show you how I install the mortar onto the tile. I'm going to show you how I install the mortar on the wall and just kind of talk through a couple of little techniques that I figured out while I've been doing this. So first of all, this is not a full tile, but I'm going to act like it is. So I'm using this trowel. I do 4, between 3 and 4. I think probably 3 would do this tile since it's not a whole tile. That gives me plenty of material. So first I spread it out over the center. And then I pick up a little bit on the bottom and I go right to the edge and squeegee it out. And you're basically covering the entire surface. Alright, so now you want to take away any of the excess. So I'm going to smooth it all out and get it to a uniform thickness. So I'm going to leave that. I'm not going to trowel it yet. That lets it doesn't dry as fast when it's thick like that. So now I'm going to go to the wall and get the wall prepped. All right, so what I do here is I just put material right on that leading edge. And then when I go to the ceiling, I'm going to put that edge right at the ceiling and squeegee this down. And what I'm doing here is I'm starting flat and then I lean into it and that will push the material up and then I pull down. So I hit flat first and I squeeze it till it squeezes out the top and you'll see it do that. And then you come down with it. That way all the material kind of still sticks to the wall. I basically do that all the way around, wherever I'm going to be. And you can go bigger if you know you're going to be doing the tiles, the next few tiles, you can make this bigger. But if you know that's going to be the end of your tiles, then you want to try to stop it so you're not wasting material and then having to come back and scrape it off. Now, when you have just a little bit of material on there, you can like lay it flat and just wiggle it and you'll see it start oozing out the edges, and then you can squeegee it on. Now you have a nice even coat. And always keep your tools as clean as you can because it will make a difference as you're working. Now is when the trowel. So the trowel, we're going to put this thing right here on the edge. And now you've got all your material is off. I'm going to go opposite of what I'm doing on the tile. So on the tile I went this way, so I'm going to go this way. Wipe off the excess and then come the other way. Now I think I have a low spot right here in the wall. So what I'm going to do is scoot me off some and I'm going to go this way with it. And that makes it level as I can on the wall. You can see how it's kind of scraping the other ones. So there's a low spot right there. So I'm going to scrape all that off. Put the tile on. Move it up and down or side to side. I can't move it side to side, but if you move it up and down at all, that helps make it stick to the wall or to the floor or to the ceiling, whatever you're doing. And that's it. rinse and repeat.